Hello everyone, I'm Eng.Simeon. I'm here to represent my project which is about basic road design. So as you see, first step is to open our Civil 3D software. We wait until it is finished the process of loading. So as you see, this is our interface. When you open Civil 3D software, this is the first interface you have to see. When you start your design, first step is to come to make some settings. You click on setting, then right click on drawing. You edit your drawing settings. Here choose datum. As a country we use Egypt as reference. Egypt. Then you should choose your dig angular unit or drawing unit, even the scale. So then you apply. Okay. Then we click on prospector. We are going to import our point. Right click on point, then create point. You click on import points. Come to this plus sign, which is add file. Here we are supposed to, our task, we have to use your data. Then you open. As you see, we have nothing. You click on PNZ space delimited to get this nothing. So then you click OK. You come to the window and right click, then you zoom, right click again, then zoom extend. As you see, this is our data. After importing our data, we create our surface. Come to surface, right click, then create a surface, then let's call it surface EG, and OK. You come to surface, this positive sign, then the surface you have created, and click on definition. Then you come to right click on point from group, then you add, click on all point, you apply, then OK. As you see, this is our surface we have created. After creating our surface, we go to center line. Center line, you click on polyline symbol, then you come to draw your center line. Remember this is center line. It will help us to get the width of the load. It should be used as a reference to get all parts of the road. then you right click and enter. As you see, we have finished to draw our center line. After drawing our center line, you click on alignment, then alignment creation tool. Let's give the name of alignment, call it AB, alignment AB, then okay. You see the toolbar, they give us alignment layout tool, then you click on this symbol, then choose tangent with curve. Here we are going to make the horizontal curves. This is horizontal curve or horizontal alignment. As you have seen on the last sessions. We are still making our alignment. It is better to make alignment by following the center line. Then you click, right click. As you see, this is our alignment. This is our alignment. After creating horizontal alignment, you go to profile, click on profile, create a surface profile, then you add, then you click on draw in profile, then next, click next, then you get a profile view. You click anywhere in the drawing, in the window. So this is our profile. As you see, this is our profile. So let us edit our profile to still have only the terrain. You select the profile, you right click, you edit profile view style, then you come to grid, you clip vertical grid and horizontal grid, then you apply, then okay. So as you see, we can also edit the interval. You select your profile, edit profile of view style again, then you click on horizontal axis. On the interval, let us choose 25. Suppose that to have an interval of 25. Then you apply. Okay. This is horizontal interval that we, as you see, we edited. Even the vertical you can do so. After that, we are going to make a vertical alignment. You come back to profile, then profile creation tool. You see this symbol, you click anywhere on the drawing, then you give the name, profile name. Let us call it profile BC. Then okay. You see this toolbar, profile layout tool. You select draw tangent with curve. So we are going to make our vertical curves. So as you see, this is our vertical curves. So this is our vertical curve. After that, after creating the profile, we create our assembly. We click on assembly, create assembly, then we give assembly name, the name, let's call it assembly AC. Then okay, you click anywhere where you want to display your assembly. As you see, this is our assembly. You click in the center, then you see some tool palette, you click on it. You see basic lane, every part of the road is there. Let us start by lane. We choose lane with super elevation. So we edit. Our task is to use 3 as width. Then sub base we have task to use 50. Then base we are supposed to use 0.4 meter, and 0.15 on pavement 2, and 0.1 on pavement 1. So default slope we are supposed to use 2%. Then as you see, we are on the light. We are going to display it on the light. Then we come back, we choose left. After that, as you see, this is our lane. Then we go to shoulders. So I supposed to use we are supposed to use 1.5 in width. So other layers I supposed to use by default. So as you see, we are on the left. This is our shoulder, and go to the right. You click on the right side to get our shoulder. After getting our shoulder, we have to get some gutters. let us use some gutters. I suppose to use some gutters between shoulder and basic sidewalk. So according to my design, so if it is innovation or if it is a mistake, I'm waiting for my lecturer feedback and advice. So my gutter, let us start on the left. And to the right. Then you go to the basic sidewalk. We edit. Let's make 1 meter to the light. And to the left, we are turning to the left. After that, I supposed to put some, we are going to use some basic side cut slope, Dutch slope. So we are on the left and go to the light. As you see, this is my assembly. After creating our assembly, we create a profile. We create corridors. We click on corridor. Then we edit the name. Let us call it corridor GG. Let us call it corridor #K HK. Then we select our alignment is AB, our profile is BC, then our assembly is AC, then our surface is selected, then okay. After that, we apply, then rebuild corridor, click OK. As you see, this is my corridor. As you see. So you select, you click on this thick line, then you right click, then you go to corridor surface. You come to home, create a corridor surface, then you add, you tick this window, then you go to boundaries. You right click on corridor, then you add automatically, then you click on daylight, then you apply, you build the corridor again, then okay. Okay. After that, we go to sample line. You click on sample line, you zoom and click on this thick line. Right click, then okay. Then after that you click OK. You see this toolbar, sampling tool, and you choose by range station. You edit. As you see, you have used 25 interval. Then at range end you choose true and OK. After that you come to home. So we are on home. We are still on prospector. We come to surface again, our surface, then we create another surface. Let's call it surface 2. Then you edit our background. Let us use 1 and 5. Then you click OK. You come to the surface you have created, our surface 2. Then you click on plus sign, then you go to definition, you go to edit, then you paste surface, paste it in surface 1 e.g. then OK. After that you come to surface 1 e.g. you right click, then click on surface properties. You come to surface style, you choose no display, then you apply OK. Also do it on corridor. Click on right click on corridor, surface properties, you surface style, choose no display, you apply OK. So by now you should view your surface, your corridor. Then you right click, you select your corridor, then right click, you choose object viewer to see how it looks. This is our corridor. Also you should view a corridor by driving it in motion. You select it, then you click on drive. You see this symbol they gave us. You come and click here, then you choose OK. As you see by now, we can drive and view our road. This is how it will be look, how it is designed. As you see, this is our load we designed. So you can close and continue. By now we are going to make our cross section. Is our purpose to get the total volume cut and the total volume of fill. By now you click on section view. You go to home, then you go to analysis. You click on analysis, you click on compute material. After clicking on compute material, then click OK. You come here, you click and select your surface and select your corridor. On datum you select corridor, then OK. After clicking on compute material, you come back to home. You go to home, you click on some section views, then create a multiple section. After that you click next, 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 then you click add, then you click create section views, and yes. So you come to the window and click where you want to display your volumes of your quantities. I'm sorry, I displayed it in a bad position, but this is the procedure of how we display it, how we get quantity or volume and fill and cut. I can display it again. You go to section views, create a multiple section, next, 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 you add, then you create section views. So as you see, then you choose how to display our quantities. This is our quantities, total volume, fill and cut, as we see this. And if there are many, you make a zoom extend, but here there is no problem. We have it in a good way. So after getting our quantities, we are going to see how to generate total volume report. You come to home, then you go to sections, then generate. After clicking on section, you click on generate volume report. then OK. After clicking OK, you see there is some toolbars which are being opened. So it is still loading. As you see, this is our table of cut and fill for our project. So after that, we represent this table in Excel. You Control plus A to select all, then Control plus V, Control plus C to copy. Then we open our Excel. This is our Excel. So then you paste your quantities in this space of Excel. Control plus V, then you copy. As you see, this is our final report. I think it is enough. So thank you for your attention and for encouraging me to put an effort in studying this software of Civil 3D. So thank you so much. I think this is my short tutorial to explain how I used to make that assignment of road design. So thank you so much.